But now let us turn to Scripture. We turn now to the 16th chapter of Matthew. And the question is asked of the disciples, the followers, those who have heard him. And he said to them, "Who do men say that the Son of Man is?" And they reply, "Well, some say John the Baptist, come again. Others, Elijah. Others, Jeremiah, or one of the prophets." And then he said to them, "But who do you say that I am?" And the spokesman called Peter answered and said, "Thou art the Christ, the Son of the living God." And he said to him, "Blessed art thou, Simon Bar-Jonah, for flesh and blood could not have told you this, but my Father who is in heaven.